Years ago, there was a magical kingdom in a fairy tale land. The king and queen of this kingdom asked for help from the gods after longing for a child for many years. The gods heard the queen's wish and promised them a baby girl. When the queen became pregnant, she ate a magical flower that grew in a magical garden located next to the kingdom. The power of these flowers combined with the baby in the queen's womb, and eventually the queen had a beautiful girl with golden hair. They named them Rapunzel. However, a jealous shadow was hidden behind this beautiful innocence. An evil witch in search of the magical flower has sneaked into the borders of the kingdom. The witch found the flower and, using its power, managed to stay young and beautiful. However, this beauty poisoned his heart and he was filled with jealousy. When the witch saw the queen's beautiful daughter, the fire of jealousy in her heart flared up even more. One night, the witch raided the palace, kidnapped Rapunzel, and imprisoned her in a high tower in a distant forest, raising her there. The only way to the tower was Rapunzel's long hair. Using these hairs, the witch could walk around without a tower. For years, Rapunzel lived in the tower with only the witch. However, his heart was full of hope and he dreamed of seeing the outside world every day.
You will stay here until you die, Rapunzel. You will never see the outside world.
I have a dream too, witch. I want to regain my freedom.
One day, a young and handsome prince, wandering through the forest, heard Rapunzel's beautiful songs. At that moment, the prince's fate changed. The songs fascinated the prince and he followed the beauty of the sound to the tower.
I am fascinated by your voice, Rapunzel. I will try every way to find you.
True love comes from overcoming obstacles. I would do anything to be with you.
When Rapunzel met the prince, her life suddenly became colorful. As the prince met her, the fire of love within him grew. However, the witch was determined to continue her evil. One day, she caught the prince in her traps and dragged him to a distant place, leaving Rapunzel alone.
You can't stop me, witch. I'll take Rapunzel back.
You are no match for my spells, Prince. You cannot harm me.
Rapunzel waited hopefully for the prince to return. The prince went on a long journey to find his lover. This journey left him facing dragons, enchanted forests, and harsh mountains. However, the prince's determination and inner love gave him the strength to overcome every difficulty. Finally, the prince found Rapunzel and together they returned to their kingdom.
Our daughter, we are so glad to find you back. How much we missed you.
Daddy, my prince played a big role in finding me. I'm with him now.
Being with you makes all the difficulties worthwhile, Rapunzel.
Our love gave us strength, Prince. Our faith in each other was enough to overcome every obstacle.
The evil witch suffered the consequences of her own evil. Rapunzel and the prince spread their love throughout their kingdom, bringing peace and happiness.